Hello everyone, it's me here again, Tim51. Another review. I don't know basically what I'm going to be doing this review on, but it's probably going to be a good one. Anyways, well, everyone, I am here to let you all know that I will be doing some sort of random... Well, I am going to be... I swear, I think I'm hearing something else. I forget. Well, I think that I am going to be doing a video on something at random, possibly. And okay, what? I think I hear something, but I don't know. I really don't know. Pardon me. But everyone. Okay, you all want to know what's going on? Here's what's going on. Random fart video! I was just, you all could tell I was pretending to not notice those fart noises, but after work, I finally have to do this. After work, I went into a section of where I work at, and I can just make random fart noises with this little fart. So yeah, I think I hope. Huh. I can actually take it out of the thing. La 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 la. Yeah. Can't do it like that. But it's better off if you leave it in here. Anyway, this is just another random fart noise video that I have gotten a request for. Someone has requested it, so I am fulfilling it. So far, I got slightly more advanced into the fart noises. I'll become more advanced as soon as I can get an electronic fart device. I hope you all have enjoyed this random fart noise, randomly advanced fart noise video. And I am signing. Hang on.